Filming. Hello everyone, today's video we're going to be riding the Orange. I'm an absolute moron because I forgot my helmet, but we're not doing any big jumps, but I should have wore a helmet because I'm a moron, but
yeah,
it'll be my fault if I damage, but
yeah, you lot should wear helmets. You
should be wearing helmets, don't go by what I say, but in the last video I had to wear a helmet because I was doing big drops and stuff, but I should only be doing stuff like this today. Small jumps,
some
pumping,
jumps
stuff like that.
Over there.
And yeah, so Alfie's going to get down there and film me just slide my whip as well.
Hot. Riding a downhill bike, up a hill.
So now Alfie's going to be having to go on the Orange Beast. There you go. It's got better bars on it now, it feels quite different. But yeah. Try whip that. Man it! Yes! What a sick run from Alfie Sens. Yeah, we'll build an express. Right, we're gonna build an express. So guys, the trail's done. It goes from the top all the way down here. We're gonna put a berm here tomorrow, and it goes down, and then you can ride up and down. It's the express. Mostly it's for going up, but we're gonna add a berm here so we can keep going down it.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get to sending.
We might.
Oh yeah, that's smooth.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll get a shovel, a rake, clear out the trail a bit more.
Now I'm gonna go do the log jump, guys.
Oh yeah, we need to
moto whip it.
Oh. Let me try that.
Going up the express. Efficiency. How was that jump then? Nice. On that? Was it like cushiony?
Yeah.
Yeah, downhill rig. Now it's Alfie's turn to send it.
Still gonna send it.
Whoa, that was good. Let's get a repair of that. My turn, boys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. There'll be a part 2 to this tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.